Hi everybody, this is Aunt Cheryl, and tonight I'm going to teach you a couple of stitches that you can use for repairing your jeans. Now I have a piece of fabric here, and on here I have a circle drawn and I have a square drawn. Now this is supposed to represent a hole in the jeans, and this is supposed to represent a patch that you're putting onto the pants. Okay, so we're just going to do this real quick. Now, this stitch I'm going to show you is actually a embroidery stitch, and what we're going to do is you go underneath the inside of the pants, or on the back side, the wrong side, and you come up on the outside of the hole. Okay? And, oh, sorry. Make y'all seasick here. Okay. And then you go straight across to the other side of the hole. And I'm used to doing this with an embroidery hoop, so you'll have to forgive me. And you go back across and just up above where you came out before. Okay, you see that? And you pull this tight. You don't want to pull it super tight, just where it lays flat. Then you go back across and just right beside the previous stitch and back across and just right above where you came out before. I hope you all can see that good. I don't know how good the lighting is in here. And you pull that, not tight, just to where it lays flat. Okay, now I didn't get those quite close enough. Can you see that? Those need to be just a tad bit closer. Okay, sorry, my dogs are acting up. Sorry. You want to get as close to the previous stitch as you can get. And that's blue. Sorry. And you go across. Hope this is showing up okay. It's hard to see. Okay. And again, you want to lay it just as flat as you can without pulling it tight. Okay? You see that? Now that's a little bit better. Now, do it one more time. Watch my time here. Come in just above your previous stitch. Like I said, I'm used to using embroidery hoop with this. Okay, and just tight enough that lays flat. Okay, now when you get this done, your back side is going to look just like your front side. Okay, you're actually creating almost like a fabric over the top of that. Okay, so now I'll show you the next stitch here. The next stitch is applying your patch, and you go underneath or through the back side up into the corner of your patch, and you're actually going on the outside of the patch. Okay, it'd be like on the edge of it, and you go up to, you want to pull your thread up, you want to go up onto the patch, actually through the patch, through your fabric, and you want to go straight down into your fabric, pull it tight, and as you're pulling it tight, you see how you're catching that? Okay? And you're creating what looks to be like an L. Okay? Now, pulling your thread up again like this, you go over just a little bit, straight down, again inside the thread and through your fabric. Pull it tight. Okay. Now when you're doing this right here is going to be along the edge of your patch. Okay. This stitch is going to be on the patch. This is going to be along the edge, and these stitches will be in the fabric. Okay. So that's called the blanket stitch. Again, that's an embroidery stitch, but it works very well and for your patches, and it keeps them good and tight. Now, when you're sewing with the machine, you just simply want to sew with the straight stitch because patches are usually thick. So if you're using a homemade patch, that's just a piece of fabric, use a zigzag stitch. Okay. For your thicker store-bought ones, you want to use a zigzag, or straight stitch. Sorry. Sorry, my throat's still a little sore. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you how to apply these 2 stitches to actually putting a patch on your pants, and also we're going to cover a hole. We'll do one or both of those tomorrow. All right, y'all have a nice day. Talk to you later. Bye.